Hello friends, welcome to IELTS. Today we will see how to generate ideas for an IELTS essay. I have question. School leavers travel for a period of time instead of going directly to the university. They travel for a period of time instead of going directly to university. They travel for a period of time. What it might be a year or so. What are the advantages and disadvantages? So what I will do first is I will write all the three keywords. The three keywords to this question are: the first keyword is school leaver, and the second keyword is travel, and the third keyword is university. Means take all the important words in this essay. Obviously time is not important, instead of is not important, going directly is not important. These are the three keywords that are main. Okay, now my first job is to write all the important keywords. Now what I will do, I will quickly write everything that comes into my mind by looking at this keyword. So school leavers, I have this word. Now school leavers means pass outs. This is just a synonym. Then school leavers means career, means they have to make their career. School leavers means if they have left the school, means they are young, immature. Then what comes in my mind, ambitious, they have ambitions, means dreams. Then what comes into my mind is inexperience. Then comes into my mind, school leavers are there, so immature, inexperienced, career, pass outs, they have leaving the schools. We can say job. Now let us see this keyword. Write everything that comes into your mind. Travel. Travel means exploration, mental horizon, widen the mental horizon. Then travel means meeting new people, exploration of the outer world. You can say travel. Travel means refreshment. Travel means refreshment, rejuvenation. Then what else I have? Learning. University. University means again degrees, in-depth knowledge, then in-depth knowledge, degrees, future career, future success, specialization in one field they will get. So these are the keywords. Then what I will do means I will just close my eyes and just match it randomly. इसको डिग्रीज के साथ कर दिया, इसको इसके साथ. मीन्स आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग दैट विद whom आई एम मैचिंग what word. इसको भी इसके साथ कर दिया एंड देन ओके. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट कम्स अप. इसको भी ये रह गया है, तो लेट्स सी व्हाट कम्स अप. पास आउट्स, एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑफ आउटर वर्ल्ड, डिग्रीज. University pass outs, exploration of outer worlds, degrees. Means is there any idea that comes to your mind when you do this? University pass outs are have not explored the outer world enough. So just merely going to the university for accumulating the degree would not do would not add much to their experience, because they lack in the experience of the outer world, and universities will only provide degrees and do not guarantee any outer world experience. They will not let them know what problems and difficulties they have to face in the when they will go to the real market, unlike that real job market. Unlike this, when they travel, they will meet different people. Means just an idea comes out that they have not explored the outer world, they do not have experience, and universities will only provide them the degrees. Means I am just giving the advantage here. An advantage comes to my mind by using this, like they do not have any exploration, and the universities just provide them degree, and in order to get the experience of outer world, they need to travel. Unlike this, traveling helps them in exploration of outer world. They would get to know real life problems that comes in the by meeting new people. They will get to know real life problems that comes in the path of success. Now take this career, meeting new people, again going to degrees. Career. School leavers are always looking forward for their career, for which they have to make the contacts by meeting new people, for which it is very essential. Whenever you want to make a career, it is very essential that you make contacts with the new people. Only that will assure you the career. सो दिस इज़ ओनली द ट्रैवलिंग दैट विल हेल्प यू टू, या फिर यू कैन से, अगर आपने ट्रैवलिंग के, इफ़ यू वांट टू राइट इन फेवर ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग, यू कैन से ट्रैवलिंग कैन हेल्प यू टू मेक इन कॉन्टैक्ट्स, मेक गुड कॉन्टैक्ट्स विद डिफरेंट पीपल दैट विल be fruitful for you in your future success, because you might meet while traveling some you can say business people working in the business world, and they will help you in giving you desired job. Meeting new people, so they are looking forward for their career, and they need contacts, and travel helps them in meeting new people. And you can say इसको फिर साथ में कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. वेयर एज यूनिवर्सिटीज़ विल मेयरली प्रोवाइड यू डिग्रीज़. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जो है सिर्फ जो आपको डिग्रीज ही प्रोवाइड देंगे, इसी तरह का कोई पॉइंट बन सकता है. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू हैव टू राइट इन द फेवर ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी, यू कैन से people pass outs are always looking forward for their career, and they need to make the contacts, and when they go to the university, they meet the people specialized in their field. Means their teachers, academicians, they meet experts teaching in the university, because I'm talking about higher universities, like, so there are always expert teaching, so they can establish new contacts with those people. Means they get useful people, authoritative people. But when they are traveling, they will just matlab, they will meet new people still, but those people might not be of their own field, because they are just randomly traveling. But when they go to the university, they will meet with the people of their field. So second idea I got, the first idea I got exploration of outer world, real life problems. That was my first idea that I got from this exercise. यार आज अंदर आज 2 मिनट आज 2 मिनट. फिर second idea I got is that they will establish contacts, good contacts with the business people, or people in their own field when they go to university. Means if you are writing about traveling, you can say business people, and if you are writing about university benefit, then you can say they will meet people in their own field when they go to their university. So let us see, is there any other idea that I can get through this exercise. Meeting new people बहुत means I have used it 2 times, so I will use this. Ambitions and dreams, refreshment, future success. Now the pass outs always have ambitions and dreams regarding their future success. They have the ambitions. Now it provides refreshment to them when they travel. Yeah, but we can इस तरह से we can make this connect like when they travel, they will get the refreshment, and then it will make them explore their dreams. Means they will be able to know what they exactly want when they travel. They will be means you can just interchange the word, means it is not necessary that you will start from here, you can start from here also. Means I matched them randomly, but I have started from here, then connected this and this rather than connecting like this. So refreshment, I can say कि traveling provides them refreshment, and when their mind is refreshed they will be able to explore what they actually want. Means when they know what they actually want, they will do the same thing, they will adopt the same field in their university. Means some people after passing out from the school, they do not know what course they have to opt. So traveling opens up their mind by rejuvenating them. They will become ambitious and they will be having more dreams after traveling, and then they will opt the desired necessary they will adopt the optimal course for them, select the optimal course for them. So selecting the course is the advantage. Selecting the course, one idea. Explore real life problem, second idea, and this idea, establishing contact with different people. So I got sufficient advantages. Now for seeing the disadvantages of this thing, means what are the disadvantages if they travel. I can start it from this, like university disadvantages if they travel. In-depth knowledge, university provides in-depth knowledge. Then you can say mental horizon, widens the mental horizon. Young and immature, young and immature, so I can get an idea, like people are young and immature, and if they travel, it may happen that they meet some antisocial elements of the society during the course of traveling, that may lead them to the destructive path, or they may lose the habit of studying. This just came to my mind after seeing this young and immature, because they are immature, they can easily be swayed away by outer influences. So while they are traveling, they will meet new people, young and immature will meet new people, and then what will happen, these new people will make them go to the destructive path, and they may lose the habit of studying. Now you can say how easily I was able to get the ideas. I had nothing in mind, but after writing the keywords, matching them randomly and going as per the matches, I was able to generate the ideas. But you must have a little you can say innovative mind to do that also. Like when you are matching, then after match you have to generate the idea out of that, like whether you start from this, means if the match is this, whether you start from this or this, doesn't matter, but an idea, it must sound like a logical idea. Thank you.